Are constant Outlook notifications breaking your focus? Today, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to turn them off so you can regain control of your inbox and your productivity. First, open your web browser and head to the Outlook login page. Whether you're using Microsoft 365 or another version, just click the sign in button and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Outlook mail dashboard. Next, locate the settings icon in the top right corner. It usually looks like a little gear. Click it, and a sidebar with multiple options will appear. Don't let all the choices overwhelm you. We're focusing on one key area today. Scroll through the sidebar and find General Clicking. It will open more options. And here's where you'll see notifications. This is your control center for how Outlook communicates with you. Inside the notification settings, you can customize exactly what you want to see or hear when new emails arrive. You can turn off desktop notifications, alerts, or any other interruptions that pop up. Simply toggle off the ones you don't want and your Outlook will go silent. By taking a few moments to adjust these settings, you'll notice a big difference. No more constant pop-ups, no more distractions, just a smoother, more focused workflow. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully turned off Outlook notifications. Small tweaks like this can make a huge impact on your productivity. If you found this guide helpful, stick around for more tips to make your digital life easier. Thanks for watching.